Chaos. I have another unboxing video for you guys. I actually ordered this off Instagram. If you guys want to check out his work, I highly recommend it. He goes by James Spink. I'll leave a link below for his Instagram. And this is gonna be my first choker, guys. So I'm pretty excited. So let's unbox it. And I'll show you his work too as well. I'll leave like some photos before I end the video. And make sure to check it out. Support small businesses. Highly recommend his work because it looks amazing. So let's unbox it. Like I said before, guys, this is gonna be my first choker. Alright, this is his card, and make sure to check out his Instagram. Support small businesses. Up there, you can pause it, and make sure to follow him. If you do, make sure I send them your way. Say Lord's Chaos recommended your work, because look at this. This looks nice right here. And then the collar is actually I think PVC material. It'd be nice right here. Ooh. And he also does custom work, so if you want like customize your collar, or not collar, your choker, let him know. He does different designs, like he'll put like the spikes red, customize the collar, like he'll add like a different color, like see-through PVC, and he'll add like the different colorized spikes. But as you can see, this looks amazing. So it's gonna be my first choker, so let's try it. This is how it looks. I'll probably take some photos as well, see how it looks in like my different styles. But it looks freaking nice. I only needed one little hole because I have a small neck. Probably thing too. And this is a size small, so he does different sizes as well. I think it's a size medium small and medium. But just let them know, guys. Highly recommend it. Look at this. And then I do have a latex hood with spikes, so this is gonna really go well with it. And no, Lords of Chaos sent you this way. Highly recommend it. And I'll leave some photos. You guys want to check out his work as well, so make sure to check it out. It looks badass though. Can't wait to get suited up in latex and wear this. So if you guys enjoy the video and content, please make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I got more videos coming, so make sure to stay tuned.